Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to uninstall software in laptop. Chapter 1. How to uninstall software in laptop from settings. To start, enter the name of the application in the search box. In the menu, click Uninstall. As you can see, settings open. Here, click on the three dots and select Uninstall. You must confirm this action again. Click Yes only if you see the authorization. Each program is different. In most cases, you must follow the wizard steps to complete the uninstallation. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 2. How to uninstall software in laptop from control panel. To start, in the search box, enter Control. Open the control panel. After that, click on Uninstall a program. Now select the desired program and click Uninstall. You may need to click Yes to confirm. Finally, follow the process of the displayed wizard and wait for the uninstallation to finish. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.